Come on, tell me about yourself.
Hello, myself Neha, and I'm a simple girl. I'm from Bhilai. I study in BCom first year. I've just completed my class 12. My hobbies are to go to new places and to see new things and to write something. And about my family is a small family. We have three members, and my mother, my father, and me. That's it.
Come on, tell me about your daily routine.
My daily routine. Firstly, I get up at 7 o'clock. Then I used to get fresh. Then I go to morning walk or for garden just for refreshment. Then I come back and get ready for tuition. Then I take breakfast. Then I go to tuition. I come back at 11 o'clock. Suddenly I go to college after the tuition. Then after college I return back at 3 o'clock at the afternoon. Then I take my lunch. After taking 1 hour of rest and using a half hour of phone, then I again come to the English class for studying English. Then I go to my home at 7 o'clock. Then I use my phone for half an hour. Then I used to study for 1 to 2 hours. Then I used to take my dinner. Then again I use my phone for some time. Then I go to sleep after studying. That's
Okay, importance of English.
English is very important. As we know, our youth and everywhere English is very much in a sensation. When we will see in to the small children that in the school also they are teaching firstly ABCD rather than REV. So now English is very important. The phone, the machines that we are using that are also operated by English only. About 62 crore people they are speaking English. English is a easy language to communicate with anyone. So I think English is very important for any field.
Water.
Water is as we know, water is a basic for our life, for the survival. Water in Earth 70% consists of water, in which we can't drink every water. So drinking water is only about 3%. And we should always use water in a good place, because we are wasting water and we are always polluting it, which we should not do, because as we know that water is very basic thing for survival, and for anything we need water. Firstly, mobile, as we know that we can't live without phone now. From a single child to elder people also, they keep their mobile. Otherwise type or Android any, but they keep phones. And phone is very dangerous also, and it is very useful also. If we will use it in good way, then it is very useful. As we know that our online banking, camera, and these all things are very useful, that we can do online banking at sitting at home, and that camera and all to capture the memories. There are so many applications that we use for business purpose, and this is also very harmful, as we know that it creates radiations and it harms human health as well as the birds' health. They are dying just because of the phone radiation. So I think scientists, they are developing so much, so they should make some phone that create a low radiation.
Okay, advanced spoken English.
Class. Advanced Spoken English class. It is situated in Line 3. I am a student of this class. It is a very good class which teaches us English. And when you will join, you will see many things is happening here, like you will see the role play debates and this kind of game, like you will get the on the spot the topic and you have to say. It will improve your language, your skill, and the fluency in English. It will also improve your grammar. And about the teacher, he is so intelligent that he is teaching us in a way that we understand very easily through hands, or in an example that we catch it very soon and we understand it easily. Internet is also a biggest sensation now. We know that without internet we can't do anything, like in Google and all. We are using internet for a good purpose also and for a bad, according to our nature. As we know, we are studying and we are getting the projects in the school. For that we need internet always, because now I will tell you my experience. As in college and all, we are getting the projects and the topic. We can't find it in a book. Just after 1 hour there is my exam and I can't find it in my book. I can go to the Google and I can get it just in 5 to 10 seconds. So I think internet is very useful for now.
PUBG.
Actually, I don't know too much about PUBG. It's a game played by every youth, and I think it is destroying our mind, because when we start playing any game, not PUBG, any game, it attracts our mind towards it, and it takes over too much time that we can't study, we can't focus in another work, and it is very bad thing.
Your favorite TikTok.
My TikTok, yeah, TikTok is my favorite because in TikTok you can, when you will feel sad, you can go in TikTok and you can watch many type of videos, whatever you like. You will feel too good, you can make TikTok. It is just too good. You can express your feelings through the TikTok.
YouTube.
YouTube is very useful for now because as we know that in YouTube everything we are getting. I will tell you about my experience that when I was in class 12, I did not get my chemistry tuition. So I used to study whole chemistry book through YouTube, and it is very useful. So YouTube you can use for any purpose like studying, for craft, anything.
Your favorite teacher.
My favorite teacher is Parmita ma'am in school. She was my favorite teacher because she was teaching us English, and she was also teaching us good thoughts for life and how to be progressed in life. Because she was just not a teacher, she was a life advisor, you can say. So I think she is the best teacher of the world. So I think she is a good teacher.
Tell me about your hobby.
My hobbies are to go to new places and to learn new things. Actually, I'm not traveling too much, but I like to travel. Actually, I do not like to travel. I just want that I will sleep and I will get to there directly, and I will see the beautiful things, whatever there, and I love to learn about that place or to write about that place.
Your father.
My father is a businessman. He is a very honest person, and I love my father too much. He does every hard work for my family, or actually I can say for me, and I'm very proud of my father.
Your mother.
My mother, she is housewife. She is very lovable. She is also honest. She is strict little bit, but she is so sweet.
Bhilai.
Bhilai is a place where I live. Bhilai is very famous for Bhilai steel plant, and Bhilai steel plant, as we know, it is very very famous for the steel purpose and whatever. I don't know too much about it. My uncle and all, they are working there. Bhilai is also famous for gardens and all. There are so many things which are very very famous in the Bhilai. You can see when you will come.
Bahubali.
Bahubali.
Yes.
Bahubali is a very 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 biggest sensation of the world actually. It is a character in the Telugu movie which is very very famous now. Only 2 parts came of this movie, and it became too much famous. That Katappa ne Bahubali ko kyun mara? It was a very very famous movie which not gone famous just in India but abroad India also.
Hindi.
Hindi is our mother tongue, which always we should respect, because when English came, we always forget the Hindi, or we are thinking who are speaking Hindi, they are a cheap. So it's not like that. Hindi is our mother tongue. We should always respect it, because in foreign they are not teaching or learning Hindi, but in India we are learning English. So I think you learn English, but you always respect Hindi.
What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become professor. Actually, my dream was to become air hostess, but because of some reason I can't be. So now I want to become a professor to teach small children, not small, college students.
Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh is a place where I live. Chhattisgarh is very famous for rice production, and its name is also Rice Bowl of India. And Chhattisgarh have 36 districts, so its name is now Chhattisgarh.
Student life.
Student life is very nice actually, according to me, because in student life you enjoy your life. After student life completes, then you go through the jobs and marriage and all. So our life becomes very very busy, and we are not getting the chance to spend time with us also. So I think school life is very very important and very very lovable. WhatsApp is application in every phone. WhatsApp, as we know, I can't say anything about WhatsApp because everyone is knowing about it. We are using WhatsApp from small children to the elder people. They all are using WhatsApp. Some are doing business in that. Some are doing chats and all. Whatever you can do all thing in WhatsApp. Time is very very precious, or we can say time is money, money is time. So time, we should always be punctual. because we are getting only one life, and in that the past time doesn't come. So I think we should always go to the time and do our work in time so that we could get a good life and we could progress in our life.
Bhupesh Baghel.
Bhupesh Baghel is Chief Minister of our Chhattisgarh. He is living beside my house, and
Yes, come on.
he is coming by flight nearby my home only. He is a good Chief Minister. Now he is controlling our Chhattisgarh in a very nice way. He have done many things for the poor people. I don't know too much about it. Actually, I don't like politics.
Okay, Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi, I know about him. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. As we know, he have banned over that black money and all, the 500 and 1000 note. He have done very good work, and now he is progressing online India, that too. Net banking and all is supporting very much, and he wants to be make a India cashless India.
Your hometown, Bihar.
My hometown Bihar, actually I don't know too much about Bihar, but I know little bit. Bihar is very famous for the poet and all. From earlier, when we will see the early books that written by the poet, they belong to the Bihar only. Actually, no one knows about it, but I have seen, so I'm saying UP and Bihar they came from, and Bihar is famous for the food litti chokha. And there are so many places to visit in Bihar, like Patna and all. It's a beautiful place, you can go.
Your favorite chocolate.
My favorite chocolate, every chocolate is my favorite except few. I love chocolate too much. It's just too delicious and sweet. Actually, I don't like sweet too much, but chocolates are my favorite. Anytime I can eat chocolate while sleeping also.
Momos.
Momos. Momos is a Japanese food actually, and we are eating momos at street side also and in the cafe and all. I like the street side momos because they are making very frequently and they are serving it very nicely. So I love it too much with momos.
About your phone.
Phone. My phone is Vivo Y12. You can buy it. It's very good. Its internal features are very good. Its camera quality is very good. Its cover is very good. Color is very good. I just love it.
So what do you think about Bhandari sir?
Sir, Bhandari sir, he is just too good teacher that he have taught me any lesson in just a few minutes, because the way of teaching of the sir is very nice, that he is teaching us just in few minutes, like in through hands, through good examples, and many things he is doing for us that we could learn very easily.